And the biggest rock I've ever seen.
Good morning. We're out here at the Thompson smelter. Very interesting place. Don't know much about it. Just thought we'd stop in and check it out. Goes all the way up the hill there. And you found a heart-shaped rock? Very cool. And I found this green rock here.
Cool. Why are the rocks
All right, let's go look around. Let's watch out for snakes because there's a lot of snakes out lately.
Why are the rocks so warm?
We've seen 2 rattlesnakes in the last 2 weeks.
Daddy, why are the rocks so warm?
The rocks are warm because they're baking in the sun.
Ah, then why isn't the sun baking me?
Let's check out this big square structure. Interesting. There's a lot of lizards out here.
Yeah, we saw 2.
Yeah, I just saw another one run in front of me a second ago. I have to try to find some old pictures of this place all put together. That's about 12 feet tall.
Put them in my pocket.
All right, you got some good rocks?
Yep.
Cool.
Found a dark green one, Dada.
Awesome. Look how melted this got. Very cool.
What was it?
This was a smelter.
I keep mine on their sides.
All right. Hey, so a smelter is where they take the ore. Remember where ore comes from inside the mines?
Yeah.
That has gold and silver and other things?
Yeah.
And they melt it down to get the gold and silver out from the rock. So that's why all this stuff is melted here. Oh, look at all this stuff. It's a very funny shape. It's all glass.
Oh my gosh, we found the bottom of the glass.
Yeah, there's a lot of broken bottles around here. People come up here and drink beer.
Yeah. And shoot.
Yeah, that's right. You see all the casings on the ground?
Mm-hmm.
What did you find there?
A clear
Ooh.
rock.
Whoa. That's awesome. Look how green that is.
So, teal. I think it's a candle or something. Well, this fits my pinky.
Let's see it. What'd you find?
Let's.
Whoa.
I think it's a candle.
Like porcelain or something marble?
I think it's a candle.
No, it's not a candle.
Yes, it is. This has to be a candle, but there's something with it.
It's like porcelain, maybe.
Is this foxy or boxy?
Oh, so we came across somebody's hangout. They got a nice little brick fireplace, some chairs, some tables. Wow. Oh, they even had a palm tree.
Oh.
Well, you got a nice view at least. You trying to put that together?
Yeah.
It's like a puzzle.
It's like a perfect puzzle.
Look at that cool thing.
These can't go together.
Yeah, you probably need more pieces.
Yeah. We can come back here and... Lizard! Lizard! I saw another lizard.
Yeah, those lizards are everywhere. Okay, let's get out and go look at it. You want to take a peek?
I can literally see it.
That's weird. You know what they used to do is in this building right behind us, they used to shine a light that showed a movie on that screen, and people used to sit in their cars and watch the movies. Isn't that weird? It's called a drive-in movie theater. I used to go to those when I was a little boy.
I want to do that one day.
Well, there isn't any around here, I don't think. Let's go. I'm gonna go look at this one.
I just want to look at it.
All right.